All my impact sockets, 3/8, half-inch, half-inch 12-point, half-inch wobbly, or actually these are 3/8 wobbly. Yeah, 3/8 wobbly. Half-inch drive impact, and then a nut driver, screwdriver drawer, Mac, just some Mastercraft. Also got screwdrivers over there. Pliers, lots of those. Another kit, another drawer. This one's here for taking off exhaust clamp or exhaust rubbers, hose clamp pliers, fuel pliers. These are beautiful Mac. Here's a ratchet drawer. It's got my cordless quarter-inch drive, half-inch or quarter-inch drive, 3/8 drive Milwaukee's. Lots of extensions, some snap-ons there. This is a wrench drawer. Got standard wrenches, just regular standard metric set. Then we got your brake line, fuel line, ratcheting wrenches, standard metric stubby. Got a couple bigger inch ones here. Pulley holder there. Hammer drawer. Everyone needs one of these. Just a couple miscellaneous hammers, some snap-ons, some punch set there. Impact screwdriver there. Plastic puller, some pry bars, some files, seal puller there. It's just a head gasket, empty drawer. This is a measuring drawer. I got a few things. Some calipers, stud finder, micrometers, square set, round, temperature gauge, 0, 15 for the racetrack, tire pressure gauge, just miscellaneous circular saw and kit there with some random stuff in it, O-ring kits and all that kind of good stuff in here, die grinder kit. This here's for pressing bearings or anything like that. Any press is a big kit. Extra light. Chrome sockets. More chrome sockets. More chrome sockets. Another set of just standard Mastercraft ratchets with all kinds of extensions, breaker bar, some fuel disconnect stuff, some punches, some wrenches, some Allen keys, some cutoff wheels, extractor set. This here's a brake line wrench set, which actually have check valves in it, so you can pump it yourself. Pickle forks, flare tool, Allen key set. This here's a compression tester set for your radiator. Hole saw, compression tester. This was a leak tester, sorry, for your radiator. Tap and die set, torque wrench. This one's a 1 to 80. This is inch pounds, a small one. Couple torque sets. Milwaukee cordless drawer, vacuum, flashlight, sawzall, drill kit, Dremel, cordless stapler.